Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to show you a hair system that has an incredible hairline. This is the Vigor model from Lordhair, and as always, it's one of the most natural looking systems I've tried. So here it is, the Vigor hair system. It features a frontal lace, which creates a very natural looking hairline. In the middle, it has a fine mono base, which is super breathable and durable, perfect for long-term wear. And around the perimeter, it's lined with thin skin, which makes it easy to apply tape or glue and gives you a secure fit. The lace front is also pre-bleached, so the knots are less visible and blend in perfectly with your skin for a seamless look. I just got back from the barber after getting it styled, and now I'm going to cut the excess lace in the front. Let me show you the scissors I'm using. They're a bit special. These aren't your typical straight edge scissors. They're designed to cut in a slightly irregular pattern, so the hairline doesn't end up looking like a straight line across your forehead. That little detail makes a huge difference for realism. For demonstration purposes today, I only applied tape on the PU section, not on the lace front. Usually, I also secure the lace area for extra hold, but I wanted to keep it free this time to show you just how natural the hairline looks. And now I'm going to apply it. Alright, I've got it styled now. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe. You'll find the product link and exclusive discount code in the description below. And look at this hairline. It looks so real. I can move the comb through the front and you can't even tell where the lace begins. Even under sunlight, it's nearly impossible to detect. And that's what makes this system so impressive. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.